To change your Shopify admin password, start by logging into your Shopify store using your current credentials. Once you are on the home screen of your admin dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the page and click on your store name or the settings gear icon. This action will open the main settings menu for your account. In the settings menu, navigate to the section labeled Users and Permissions. This is where you manage all staff accounts and your own account security. Depending on your screen configuration, you might see your name listed immediately, or you may need to click on your profile picture or account name to access your specific user details. Click on your account to open the Profile Editing panel. Within your Profile panel, locate the Security section or the Login Details area. You will see an option to change your password. To proceed, Shopify requires you to enter your current password for verification first, so type that in the designated field. Then, create a new, strong password that you have not used before. A strong password typically includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. After you have typed your new password twice to confirm it is correct, click the Save or Change Password button to finalize the update. If the system accepts the change, you will usually receive a confirmation email at the account owner's email address. You can now log out and test the new password immediately to ensure everything is working correctly.